Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 27, 2022. Two are Sudoku. 10th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 7. It will come in one of the cells. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 9th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 2, 8. Column B, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 5th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 2. So 6 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Column H, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 7. Third row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 3. 5th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 4th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.